How to substitute on eFootball. Now, substitution basically means that throughout the match your players get tired, and when you use substitution, that allows you up to 5 different substitutions. You will get much more energetic players. Now, normally you can just turn on auto substitution, so you can go to automatic match support and you can turn on substitutions and turn this on as well. Otherwise, you can turn on the offside trap and attack and defense level as well, whatever else you want to do right here. So you want to come back. Now, if you want to do auto, that's perfectly fine. I don't prefer auto because they just put them in random positions that I don't prefer. So let's say I'm inside a certain game right here, so I'll just select exhibition match. I will just select random match right here, right? I'm inside a certain game and then I want to use substitution. Well, all I have to do is maybe after the second half that you want to substitute, or the first half, whatever else it is, all you have to do is just hit the pause button from here, right? So let me just go ahead and start the match like this, and once I've started the match, if I want to hit the pause button, I just tap on this pause button right here, and once I just tap on this pause button, I can just go to game plan. From game plan, now I can simply substitute the players, so I can add any players that I want on the left hand side of my position. If I want to change the center defender, I just want to drag him to in position. Now you can see intervals left, 3 out of 3. In one interval you can substitute 3, but I think that you can substitute up to 5 players. That is how it works. So you can just try to go ahead and then do that if you prefer. Right here you can simply go ahead and then try to substitute any player that you prefer, up to 5 different players. If someone gets tired, you can go ahead and then actually add them. Now once done, you can come back and substitute, and after the game has been maybe played out or something like that, when the game has been paused, the substitution will occur then. So now you can see the ball has gone out, so now the required substitution will take place. So hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.